Welcome to the Alpha Moisture Systems SADPmini2 and SADPmini2EX Dewpoint meter quick overview. The SADPmini2 and SADPmini2EX portable handheld dewpoint meters are the most advanced instruments available globally. They are perfect for spot checks or short continuous measuring of trace moisture levels dewpoint in most gases and dry compressed air. They are world class and market leading. The SADPmini2 comes as standard, the non-EX version, with or without logging function and Bluetooth. We do recommend logging and Bluetooth. The SADPmini2X is certified intrinsically safe to IECEx, ATEX and UL certified for USA and Canada for use in hazardous areas and comes with logging function and Bluetooth as standard. The USBs or unique selling points are exceptional battery cell life of over 150 hours continuous use, various dewpoint ranges available between minus 110 degrees C to plus 20 degrees C, which is minus 166 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 68 degrees Fahrenheit, colour graphical LCD dual display of measuring units. You can connect via Bluetooth to a mobile or cell phone, tablet or laptop via USB to view live display. Configurable user interface in 10 languages, onboard data logging and screen capture. Automatic calibration or AutoCal is a span correction feature. Integral calculator for display of dew point zip pressure, supplied with a certificate of test and calibration traceable to international standards, IP66/NEMA 4X rated. Unique desiccant dry down technology. Connectivity, Bluetooth and USB. The user tool, connect the SADPmini2 to a PC or laptop to see a live view, configurations and logging information. Download the app. Connect and view live data from the SADPmini2 and SADPmini2EX. Use the app calculator. Let's take a closer look at the functions and features of the SADPmini2 dewpoint meter. For this demonstration, we're going to show you the details of the SADPmini2EX. This is similar to the Mini 2, but in this case we're showing you the EX version. The basic elements of this portable dewpoint meter are a display screen, colour graphics, a keypad, desiccant head and charging port and memory card. There are various options available for the unit which are on the datasheet. To talk through some of the screens, on the main display screen we have dewpoint indicated in degrees C, with atmospheric dewpoint and then a scale. And then we have a sub-screen at the bottom, secondary screen, which has the dewpoint in ppm. That's battery indication and the time. If we just scroll through some of the screens to show the options, using the keypad here, we press this arrow button and we get through to a logging screen, which has various logging options. Press again and we come through to a settings screen, which allows you to change the units on the dewpoint scale to degrees F, or to apply a calculated pressure dew point. There's also the AutoCal option on this screen and other information. And we have an information page showing the dew point range of the instrument, the serial number and the version of the firmware inside the instrument and the serial number. We have a Bluetooth screen for setting up Bluetooth connection, and then back to the main screen. Access some of the options using the up and down arrows, and then from any screen you can get back to the home screen by pressing the home key here. It comes with accessories, a carry bag which is optional, a universal charger, PTFE sample hose, fittings, shoulder strap, calculator wheel and user manual. The PSS or portable sample system is one of the related products to the SADPmini2 range. It's specifically designed to regulate sample flow for the SADPmini2 and SADPmini2EX. Here is a snapshot of a typical arrangement of the PSS sample system showing a filter unit, pressure regulator, up to 200 bar G inlet pressure, quick inlet connect and flow indicator. Let's have a closer physical look at the functions and features of the PSS sample system. For the purpose of this demonstration, we've taken the PSS out of its carry case. Installed in the PSS is an SADPmini2EX, which is connected using these inlet and outlet compression fittings. The PSS is supplied on a chassis. The inlet on this example is a quick connect. From the quick connect we go to an inlet pressure regulator, which allows the pressure to be regulated down to the required pressure for the SADPmini2, which is less than 0.3 of a bar G. Then there's a particle filter. Then we go through the instrument, out the instrument, through a flow indicator, and then out the exit pipe. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to show how to supply a sample gas to the PSS instrument. First of all, make sure the pressure regulator is in the closed position, which is anti-clockwise. You'll notice that the head is closed on the SADPmini2EX. This keeps the sensor in a dry condition, and it's better to always go from a dry to a wet reading. We've got a quick connect connection here, which we're going to attach to the inlet of the PSS, like this. We're then going to open the gas supply valve, and then slowly open the pressure regulator clockwise so that the flow goes through the instrument and is indicated on the flow indicator on the right hand side. Going to take it up to about 5 litres a minute, which is about halfway. We've now purged through the PSS in the instrument for a few minutes. We then raise the head of the instrument by blocking the outlet like this. Release, and you'll notice that the dew point responds very quickly and falls until it reaches equilibrium with the sample gas dew point. You'll see that the dew point has reached equilibrium. At this point you can take a reading and you can close off the pressure regulator by closing it anti-clockwise, then close off the gas supply valve fully, and then you can disconnect the quick connect from the PSS. Bluetooth printer. Pair the Bluetooth printer to the SADPmini2 and Mini2EX and print out log files or save screenshots. Let's take a closer physical look at the functions and features of the Bluetooth printer. This demonstration is going to show you how to use the Bluetooth printer with the SADPmini2EX. First of all, turn the Bluetooth printer on by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a noise. Release, and that has the power on for the Bluetooth printer. Then on the Mini2EX, we scroll through using the right arrow button through the menu screens until we get to the Bluetooth page. Then we press the down arrow and we select Bluetooth with OK. Then we're going to search for this Bluetooth printer by pressing OK. It's now searching, as you can see on the screen, and it will search until it finds the Bluetooth printer. And it says one device found, and it indicates that on the screen. We then go down to the device that's been found, we press OK, and then we get another screen showing the Bluetooth printer that's able to be connected to. We press OK to tick the box, and we go to another screen. There's an authorization code which is preset, and you don't have to change that, but it can be user set so that you can have a code to connect to the Bluetooth printer. We press the down arrow to connect, we press OK, and it's now connecting to the Bluetooth printer as shown on the screen. When it connects, we'll get a message on the screen saying, and you'll see it now says connected. We'll now go back to the home page by pressing home, and you can see that we've got an indication on the screen showing that it's connected to the Bluetooth printer, and also on the printer itself it's flashing as well. We're now going to show you how to print some data from the SADPmini2EX to the Bluetooth printer. Let's go to a logging screen that we've got some data previously logged on. So we go to logging first, then we go down to quick log, data history. We're going to go into data history, and then we've got three options: log data, quick log, and snapshot data. We're going to go to snapshot data. This is effectively a screenshot. Press OK, and we're going to go to the first file here, 003. Press OK, and we get a screenshot of a previous log that we've done with the device. To print this screenshot, it's very simple. We just press OK. We get another screen up with two options. You can see the printer's already highlighted, so we just press OK, and it's now going to print on the printer. So it prints on the paper that's provided with the printer, and then we just turn it. And there's your logged data. The SADPmini2 range is the most advanced portable handheld dewpoint meter on the market today globally. Please see data sheets for more technical information on our websites amsystems.co.uk and sadpmini2.com.